Hello, Mr. Billy.
What the
Don't
fuck
worry,
is...
your friend's okay. Look, Billy, I can see the future, and I don't see you in it. You have half an hour to get here, to make my vision come true. Otherwise, forget about your bastard friend. I'm sorry, Mr. Billy. I guess I will see you in hell.
You are not pussy faggot!
So who's this Mr. Fork?
Crazy bastard.
Why do they call him that?
Funny you ask. When he was a little kid, he was playing poker with his uncle. He cheated, so his uncle chopped his fuck you finger. He took revenge. Now they call his uncle the Trunk.
No arms, no legs?
No arms, no legs. No tongue, no penis. Are you sure you don't want a doctor?
Fuck the doctors, man.
Stop. With your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it. Yeah. Your head will collapse if there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind?
Fuck it!
Way out in the water, see it swimming. I was swimming in the Caribbean. Animals were hiding behind the rock, except a little fish. But they told me Swift's trying to talk to me, so I went, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the water, see it swimming.
I'm sorry, bitch! By the way, my name is Billy.